Hi guys, welcome to Easy Food with DG Beats the Heat episode. Today's episode I'm going to show you how to make two different kinds of coolers. The best part about these recipes is that every ingredient remains the same except for the two hero fruits. Let's get going. Let's begin by making the first cooler, the mango mint cooler, and for that you need mango pulp, some sugar, ginger, lime, mint, red chilli and salt to garnish. Let's get going. Step 1. Fill up your shaker with lots and lots of ice. Step 2. Put in some mango puree. We are going to put in 3 tablespoons. And 1 for good luck. All recipes are meant for a single serving. Next, some sugar. We need to put in 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Then tear in some mint leaves, pinch of salt, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of grated ginger, and some water. Before we put in the lime, we need to give it a nice mix to ensure all the sugar melts in. I think that's good. Let's put in about half a lime. Garnish with some mint. You are ready to serve. And now it's time for the second drink, tomato and ginger cooler. And for that you need tomato puree, sugar, mint, lime, ginger and salt. Let's get going. First step is to fill your shaker with lots and lots of ice. Step number 2, take some tomato puree. We are going to be adding 3 tablespoons. You can choose to make a tomato puree in your house or just get the ready-made one. And that's 3 spoons. Then we take about 3 to 4 spoons of sugar. Sugar in this one is critical, so please add as instructed. Let's do 3.5. Okay. Then comes ginger. Again, we take about 1/2 inch. Grate it in. Ginger also works as this amazing coolant for the summer. Then comes mint. Then some mint leaves. Some salt. And water. About 200 ml. Close it. Give it a nice mix. Once the sugar is melted, we put in the lime. Add it and mix again. Smells lovely. Let's check for sugar. It's perfect. It's time to plate. Garnish with ginger and mint. Enjoy. Cook it, click it, post it on Easy Food with DG. Thank you for watching this episode with me. If you still haven't subscribed onto my YouTube channel, please do so right away, now. Thanks. I'll see you soon.